The assembly cells are generic, flexible, modular, and self-supporting installations in which the different components arriving from the kitting area are assembled to manufacture the final product. The design of these facilities provides flexibility in the manufacture of the different products, as well as optimizing manufacturing times as much as possible. The preparation of the assembly cells for the manufacture of each product is performed automatically, either by supplying tools from the same installation or from another location in the plant. The quick and automated change of welding guns, grippers, and tooling allows us to produce different products on the same assembly line. The cells perform continuous exchanges of geometry tools in the work area, ensuring with every movement repeated fixation, connection of the installation with the tooling, and the supply of power and fluids.
El concepto, diseño y desarrollo de los utillajes nos ayuda a optimizar los procesos de fabricación. La inclusión del concepto garra pisador nos permite minimizar el número de componentes neumáticos en los utillajes, haciéndolos más livianos y facilitando el acceso a las piezas a soldar.
Sky welding is another example of time optimization. This is carried out while the tooling is being changed in the tool change system, or while the tooling moves from one position to another to pick up the part and continue with the production flow. The possibility of adding a platform with artificial vision for the automated loading of components, pick and place, helps us to optimize production processes even further. Several sets of components are supplied from kitting, and a robot guided by artificial vision is in charge of the automatic loading of components into the tooling previously placed inside the assembly cell. The open facility concept, in addition to making the production flow more flexible, also facilitates the free movement of AMRs. For this free movement, multiple safety measures are implemented, as safety in the plant must come first. On the one hand, the DSPA system only allows the entry of AMRs that have been previously authorized. On the other hand, the LBK radar system ensures that no one is inside the cells when the system is started up.